Alright, so as you can see, got the air filter here on the shop rag. Got the spray on air filter oil. Got the air filter box. So already shook this up a good bit. So before you oil your air filter, you want to take out the little brace webbing thing out inside of it, and I also took the little off. Alright, so now going to add the oil. Alright, so you can see where I've sprayed, it's pretty blue. So you want to work the oil in to the filter. And I believe I put a good bit more oil than I need, but that's okay. Should soak in. We can wipe the excess oil off. Alright, so now we're going to give it a couple sprays on the inside. Now we'll work the inside oil in. And we should be done with the oil spray for now. One thing I forgot to do actually is get the top. Alright, I think we've worked the oil in good enough. Before I put the air filter in the air filter box, I actually need to clean out the air filter box because there is a little bit of dirt and things in there, so we want to make sure give that a good clean before we put the new air filter in. We just cleaned the air filter box and we're letting it dry right now. So while we're letting it dry, going to go ahead and put the support cage back in the air filter, then put hand on. Alright, so y'all can tell that was pretty easy. You want to wipe the oil around the rubber part where it will be held on to your air box. Alright, now it's ready to go on the air filter box. Alright, so air filter box is dry. Now put the air filter in. Alright, now all we'll do is tighten it. Alright, that's all there is to pre-oiling an air filter and putting it in the box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do videos Tuesdays and Fridays, so make sure you tune in some of my other videos and subscribe so you don't miss out on the 100 subscriber giveaway. It'll be here before you know it, and you do not want to miss out on it. But yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day.